Hi everyone. Today let's make a creamy white sauce macaroni pasta. It's an easy dish for you to prepare and it will take you close to 30 minutes to prepare this dish. So before we get started, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give a thumbs up for this video. Let's get started. Start by boiling 2 cups of water to cook your pasta. When it comes to adding salt, you would have probably heard to make it coat as salty as the sea. Salting the water is arguably the most important step to make a great bowl of pasta. Here I have added a tablespoon of salt. You can adjust this to make sure the water tastes well seasoned but not too salty. Add a tablespoon of oil to prevent the pasta from sticking. Once the water comes to a boil, add your choice of pasta and cook it according to the package instructions. Do a taste test to ensure the pasta is well cooked. Let's move on to making white sauce. Start by adding 15 grams of butter. Ensure the flame is on a low while doing these steps. Once the butter melts, add 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, and now we got to combine the flour and butter, so mix them well. Once you notice a change in the color, add another 15 grams of butter and mix again. Measure 1 cup of milk, and these need to be added in batches. So this is where the lumps would start forming, and many have mentioned that they find it hard to get rid of lumps while stirring. So at this stage you need to switch to a whisk. If you use a spoon, it will be hard to mix without any lumps. Continuously stir and add milk. Add a teaspoon of pepper powder and add the remaining milk. Switch to a medium flame at this point. Next, add 2 teaspoons of sugar and half a teaspoon of salt and give everything a good mix. You can turn off the flame and set it aside to cool. Next, you'll need a cup of boiled corn and 2 bell peppers. Heat some oil in a pan. Add capsicum. Stir for 2 to 3 minutes. Do not overcook the bell peppers, just a few minutes would be sufficient. Half a teaspoon of salt, and the next step would be to add the cup of corn. Since the corn is already boiled, just toss it for a minute. It's not required to cook for a long time. To add a teaspoon of chili flakes. Just ensure that everything is coated well, and then we move on to the next step of adding the cooked pasta. Again, mix it thoroughly before adding the white sauce. Corn and capsicum pairs well with white sauce. The flavors are really good and you have made a delicious bowl of pasta on your own. This is a dish that can be enjoyed by everyone. The kids would love it too. So do give this a try and mention in the comments about your favorite pasta. Hope you've enjoyed this recipe and subscribe to this channel for more food content. Thank you and stay tuned for upcoming videos.